Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing Prolific, a legitimate survey site used by university researchers. And yes, I'll be showing you real payment proof later on in the video. So let's find out if Prolific is actually worth your time. So what is Prolific? It's not your average survey site. This platform connects researchers, often from universities, with people like you and me who want to participate in their studies. That means no spammy ads, no endless profile surveys that go nowhere, and most importantly, fair pay. The surveys are used for actual academic or commercial research, which is why the questions tend to be more interesting and the pay is better than most of the survey sites. Signing up is super easy. Head over to the Prolific website and click Sign Up and choose I want to take part in this study. You'll be asked to fill out a bunch of pre-screening questions. Don't skip these. This is how Prolific decides which studies are a good fit for you. Once you're in, you'll get notified when new studies are available, or you can just check your dashboard. Some days you might get a few, other days might be slow. It really depends on your demographic info and what studies are live. Let's talk about money. So over the past few months, I've made just under £34 in a few short sessions. That may not sound like much, but it's very flexible and easy to get done between doing other things. When you hit £5, you can cash out via the PayPal payment app. Payments are usually super fast, usually within 24 hours, and there's no crazy withdrawal fees, which is a huge plus. One of the things that I did find with the survey site Prolific was that after a while, the surveys began to slow down. At the start, it was every single day there'd be a new survey, but now it seems to be far less frequent, maybe once a week. I'll be lucky for once a week. They pay well, roughly £4-5 every survey. Some of them are less, obviously, some of them are much more. But now I barely get any notifications. I can't really determine why that is. I would assume that being honest on the About You page, giving as much honest information as possible was going to be a plus, but it doesn't seem to have worked. So I've completed the About You page, and it's still becoming, barely any surveys coming through. Essentially, I'm, try it out, give it a bash. It's good. First few weeks, first few months even, is really good. And I would recommend it. But then after a while, just be prepared for things to start to level off and hear zero notifications. So some of the positive things about Prolific is that they do pay pretty well. Minimum of, the smallest one I've had is 30 pence. I think the largest payment I had was roughly £8. So they do pay wonderfully well. The surveys themselves were pretty interesting. They were, sent by universities and PhD students, so they are quite in depth, quite interesting as well. You can get your teeth stuck into it. Payments was quick, fast payments, and great. I'd say the user friendliness of it was easy to navigate. The website was easy to navigate. Was Prolific worth it? I would say if you treat it as a side hustle, not a main source of income, it's perfect for people who are working part-time, if you're a student, or anyone really looking to earn a few extra pounds in an honest way. Always remember, read the rules, answer truthfully, and manage your expectations. Please let me know if you've used Prolific before. It'd be great to know your experience with it and whether you have found that it also tends to taper off after a few months of initial amazing surveys. Let me know as well if there is a way to get more surveys, because I really would love to know, because the money they pay is amazing. And, if I could get more, that would be fantastic. So please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.